Introducing the brand new G90 M5 TRE body kit.
I took my drugs and took my loving when I left the spot. I left the party with the Barbie marking X on the dot. She calls my phone up, but I told her I'm a loner. But she likes my watch and my drop top and my persona. We hit the highway 155 with my whole foot on the dash. She's in my ear, she's got no fear. She could care less if we crash. But on my radar, I've got some nerve to get up.
You wouldn't have seen the M5 on the channel for a little while. That's because it's been having a number of products developed all around the country, and some of the parts are on the car already, which you'll see in a later video. But today we've got something very exciting to announce.
Yes, that is right, because the TRE kit for this car is now complete, and we have one of the products here in person. We're going to install it today, so let's get on with it.
Let's go show them right now. So I'm excited.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ready? How ready are you?
Yeah.
Introducing the TRE PR1 spoiler.
Held by yours truly. The chef has definitely been cooking in the kitchen because this looks insane. Super happy with how this has turned out. And the guys have actually come up with a very nice offer for people buying this spoiler. We'll talk about that in a bit. What?
We're holding it together for too long.
I know, but it makes it good. It was as though God himself had logged into AutoCAD and designed this absolute masterpiece of a marvel of engineering. I am by no means biased at all. Obviously, I had no part to play in designing this.
He literally designed the whole kit.
Well, we have a very close relationship. As you guys know, we have a very close relationship with TRE, and we help with the whole R&D project. The car that we have in front of us there was used to actually reverse engineer and design the whole kit. So yes, we have a big part to play in this kit, and we are very happy with how it looks. It suits our aesthetic, which is essentially an OEM plus design. That is not just it, because this spoiler doesn't just unlock better looks, it also unlocks a nice little special offer. So before we get the spoiler fitted and before I show you the rest of the kit, I want to show you what TRE are now including with this spoiler when you buy it. So in here, this lovely packaging, to be fair, in this lovely packaging we have a leather finish TRE key blocking Faraday case. Inside it, you put your keys, protects it from thieves outside trying to do the key relay and sort of steal your car, which is a big problem for modern cars. So let's talk about what comes inside this little box, because we have a nice little brochure here made by the guys at TRE, which shows all the nice little details of the new TRE kit for the M5, which is very cool. But more importantly, they also include this card, which is exclusive to people that buy the spoiler before the kit is released later in the year, and you guys will be able to get £750 off of your full G90 kit by buying this spoiler. So this is a very limited time offer, and it's only for people that are buying this spoiler. So if you want a big discount off of your TRE kit for your G90 M5, this is the way to do it. We are now going to install the spoiler. As you can see, the stock spoiler is gone. Nave's going to throw up a little clip of how that was done. So basically, straight under there, and pull. Easy as that.
So after removing the spoiler, we're left with all of this glue residue here, all of this double-sided tape. Jack, what's the plan for the double-sided tape?
I've got a plan for that, don't you worry. Here we have the TRE PR1 spoiler ready to go. You see we've got the 3M backing on the back of the spoiler. All you need to do is peel back a small little section. I've peeled back around sort of 25-30 mils worth there of the backing, so I can still access it from the top. When you place the spoiler down, this spoiler will literally sit into basically its correct position already because of how good the fitment is on it. All you need to do is just check each end, make sure you're happy with those gaps. It should probably be around sort of 3 or 4 mil each side. Once you're happy with that fitment, press down and peel this back. And I tend to do it in stages just so I can get it locked in and have a bit more confidence then to sort of peel it all the way back as you go along. I'm just going to then go along, press down, make sure it's all secured. This spoiler is locked in place. I could probably ski off the back of that.
I should let go.
So from the rear, the spoiler looks very, very nice. It's supposed to reflect the aggressiveness of the car, but remain subtle and suitable for an M5, a saloon. This is not your wacky M2. This is a classy M5 and we wanted it to remain that way. But then from this angle, you can see it is more aggressive, it's more stretched out and it's more prominent. So it really depends on what way you're viewing the car from, but we like to think that it reflects the characteristics and the character of this car. And as with all TRE products, you can expect perfect fitment. You can see here along this shut line how perfectly that follows the body of the car, and all the way along this edge is absolutely flush.
So, as we said at the start of the video, this spoiler is the first piece of the puzzle for the G90 M5 when it comes to the TRE body kit. There is a load more coming, and I'm going to give you guys a sneak preview right now. Roll into the cinematics.
I took my drugs and took my love, and when I left out the spot, I left the party with the Barbie marking X on the dot. She calls my phone up, but I told her I'm a loner. But she likes my watch and my drop top and my persona. We hit the highway 155 with my whole foot on the dash. She's in my ear, she's got no fear. She could care less if we crash. But on my radar, I've got some nerve to get out. I waited for my chance. We're playboys, we don't dance. My heart, speak Chicago, 190 in the rain.
So Jack, they've seen the kit. When can they buy it? I know they can buy the spoiler first, but let's give them all the details.
So, Nathan, I'm so glad you asked that question. There's a link to this spoiler in the description below, but the kit will be coming in a couple of months' time. We are hoping and aiming for May, so we will keep you guys updated on the socials, and if you buy this spoiler, you will be fully kept in the loop with the developments of the kit.
We've been in talks with TRE, and they have just increased their warranty by 1 extra year. So when buying any of the new TRE products, you're now getting a 3-year warranty.
Very nice.
I'm really excited to get the rest of the kit on though.
It's going to look insane.
It looks good with the spoiler now, but it needs the diffuse. The diffuse is going to be a game changer.
100%, mate. I can't stand
And the front
this.
end is going to look ridiculous.
Yeah, it's going to look insane.
I
This
cannot
car
wait
is
for.
really coming together, and people are starting to change their opinions on it, which is no surprise to
Yeah.
us, to be honest. We knew that was going to happen, but it is starting to happen. People are starting to warm to
It's
it.
actually been quite funny because first of all, we dropped the G90 content. We've dropped it on AutoID, I've done it on my channels, and people are like, oh, G90 M5. And then we've gone for a 4-week break of not posting any videos, and people are saying, where's the G90? Where's the G90?
Yeah,
What's going on with
yeah.
G90? So you guys clearly care about it, so you know what's coming. It's going to look the bollocks. Oh.
That's all right, you can keep that in.
Over the next few weeks, we have got a lot of videos coming up with this car. As I said earlier, the car's got a few new bits on it, which you guys might not know about, including the exhaust. It's going to sound a little bit better. We might be tuning the car. We're definitely going to be lowering the car, and we're going to space them wheels out a little bit. So there's a lot more to come with this car. So make sure you are subscribed, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.